Hey guys, it's me, it's Constance with Charming Custom Crafts, and this is lesson 5 on the Brother Scanncut. If you want to see the final product of this, it's going to be for the July 1st, for Christmas in July here on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. But the last lesson I taught how to use the paper in your favor with the patterns already on it. So I'm going to do the back. I'm not going to do the framing yet. I'm just going to put a centerpiece and how to do multiples. So I went ahead and loaded the mat with coordinating paper. So I'm going to take you over. Again, my apologies. I'm going to take the light off. Alright. Alright, so if you go, we're going to go back. We're going to go to the patterns once again. We're going to go down to this icon here and we're going to scroll down and get that same pattern. And the last time I had it at 2.75 inches at the height, and then the width was 2.89 inches. So we're going to go down 1/4 of an inch down to 2.25. And we're going to do multiples. So we're going to do how many we want here when you go back. So we're going to go again. If you're doing the measurements, you're going to hit OK. You're going to hit OK to the pattern, and you're going to put in how many you want. I'm going to do 12 because I have 12 of them. And we're going to set it. Now we can see that they're already all lined up on the page for you, so you don't have to do it any other way. So that's the easiest way of doing multiples. And I'm going to load my mat. We're going to say OK. We're going to cut. I'm going to load the mat. And then we're just going to go ahead and cut. There are other ways to do it. I just don't want to confuse you at this point. Try not to cut out any more video than I have to. I try to do lifetime so you guys can work with me at the same time. So that way you could have paused before that and worked on that, and then while mine's cutting, you have yours cutting, then you can start and play again. So that's 5 of them. For lessons, I'll have the last lesson before, so if you go to 4, it'll have a link for 3, and then it'll have the next one in it. Those will be added as I go. Now, it'll be interesting how these come out because I've restuck the mat, and some of this has not been covered with paper yet. More ideal to use a plastic spatula, but I can't find mine. Not right now, so I'm using the metal one. Trust me, I've looked. I'll eventually find it. This is 8. I can already see from looking at the paper that it's bunched a little bit in spots, which happens, but if that could be because you have paper at the bottom. Oh, that was 12. We're hit OK. I'm releasing paper. It slipped basically over to where it was. And I'm working on multiple projects. And I'm getting ready to get gym. So we're going to use the spatula. And I'm not going to need this paper. Just remember this is newly sticked bat. Again, the plastic spatula is better, but I'm going to look up and see if I can order extras. You're going to want to do it gently around the edges of what you just cut. Get the thicker first. Again, when I get the other mats and they start going, I'm going to do 3 different ways to stick the mat and find out which one's better. So now we have the 12 here that I needed, and the multiples to show you. And I'm only going to take one off give you an idea what I'm doing. I will get to framing, but I'm going to take the deer. If you can see the two pieces, let me pull this over. See the two pieces here? Let me put the light on. Now all I'm going to do, and again I will get to the framing, but this is the easiest way to frame. So that's the way it's going to be on the 12, but I wanted to show you how to do multiples. So I hope you like it, and I hope to see you in the next lesson, guys. Bye.